Pati po yung sinamama ko.
Okay, let's do fast talk. Sex or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Favorite possession?
Style dog.
How old are you when you got your first blow?
20.
20. And you get first virginity 20 also, right?
Yes.
20.
19.
19?
Ay, 18.
18. So before that, before you get pregnant, you already have sex with your other guy like that. How many guys do you have in your life before?
Isa lang po.
So that's the same guy.
Opo, yung
Who lost
nakabuntis
your
po sa akin.
virginity?
Opo.
Okay.
Yung nakabuntis po sa akin.
First love?
Opo.
He's your first
Opo.
love. So it's hard, diba? First love never dies. Why your ex is still alive? First love never dies.
Hindi lang po totoo yun.
But your ex is still alive. So you don't believe a first love
Hindi
never
ako.
dies? Oh
Hindi.
my God. Yeah, because why our ex is still alive, diba? Your first love. Oh my God, first love. My God, I don't know about first love. It only happened to me once.